Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going over the Topps Gallery, the Art of Collecting. I found this a while ago. This is going to be 4th of February this year, 2022 as a matter of fact, and I paid with tax $21.43 for this blaster box. So here it is here, the Art of Collecting, that's what it's being dubbed. Topps Gallery 2021. Very unique set. So this is called The Art of Collecting 2021 Topps Gallery Baseball. Offers artistic renderings of top MLB stars. While the artwork is featured, the set does appear to include more traditional photos in previous editions. So here's a couple good looking cards right here. So it says right here to look for the rookie autographs, of course, and the all new limited parallel cards. On this side over here are the odds. So while you guys check that out, I'm just going to read a couple of these here. So the big premium purchase for this one was the hobby boxes. There are the 28 card blaster boxes, which is what I believe I'm holding right here. Let's see. So it says it right here. I didn't really see it anywhere else, but there are 7 packs per box and 4 cards per back for a total of 28 cards. Now, back to the odds. 2021 Topps Gallery Baseball Set Details. This covering the top players of the past and present. 2021 Topps Gallery Baseball includes current superstars alongside Hall of Famers and notable rookies. There are a bunch of different variations. Some of these could include the Gallery of Heroes, which looks really cool. MLB Originals, which I'm going to show up here. And the Masters of the Craft, Modern Artists, and the Next Wave. So there's a couple really cool looking things. The gallery autographs are really cool. You're going to see those pop up here. So we are, of course, on the hunt for all of these awesome things. And you can see here, the autograph is 1 out of 3,842 packs. The approximate odds per pack of finding those cards. So we're going to go ahead, open this up, and see what our odds are of 2021, the Art of Collecting blaster box. Here we go. I need to get better prepared. I hate just shoving a pen inside the box of cards. It just feels wrong. I have a new setup here. Let me know what you think. Alright, let's see how well this works for me. Yeah, I got a new little setup going here that I literally just did, and I thought, what better way to test this than to record something? And so I chose this offbeat product here. So I'm going to set this up straight in the back, get that out of the way. Here are our 8 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs, 28 cards. So I'm just going to set those right here, and let's see what we get. This one is already really difficult. Oh, these look really good actually. I really like these. Let's see if I can get this right. Okay, we got Garcia. We'll put that there. Actually, let me get myself just set up here. Alright, 7 Strasburg. Printer Proof, Joey Votto. Another rookie, Nick Gordon. And that was it, first pack. Pretty painless. There's one of these that felt rather thick. It does say, if you can see it right here, 4 exclusive printer proof parallels per box. So we had our printer proof. Where did it go? I just lost it. So here's the printer proof that we pulled just now. Joey Votto. Jared Kalenic. Galvin Lux. Ooh, a silver Rafael Devers. And Marcus Semien. Oh. So yeah, I'm getting used to this new setup. This is it's a little different. I'm already seeing a couple things I can improve. Alek Manoah. Here's the printer proof. So here's our second one so far out of the blaster box. Trey Mancini. Place that over there. Here's a rookie, Shane McClanahan. That's a good name. And Jack Flaherty. Very nice. Moving on. What do you guys think? Have you ripped this product before? Did you think it was good? Did you buy it just to buy it? Was there nothing else on the shelf? That was probably my case at the time, back in February this year. Garcia. Ooh, we got something here. This is a silver, or prism, whatever you want to call it. Luis Garcia, rookie. Very nice. Here's the third printer proof, Cal Ripken Jr. Very nice. Trying to see where's the best spot to hold these cards, because my camera was acting up here. Let's see if this works. I'll hold that right there. Alright, printer proof of the Cal Ripken Jr. and Anthony Rendon. So that's pretty cool. If you have ripped this, what did you get? Anything good? Was it trash? 20 bucks, that's probably why I got it. And I didn't know any better. I'm still pretty new to this hobby. Rookie Pavin Smith. Garrett Cole. And what do we have here? The modern artists. It doesn't show the player's name, so to the untrained eye, like mine. Christian Yelich. Art by Josh Trout. So that's pretty cool. Modern artist. Not bad. And, oh, I know this guy. Yeah, Vladimir Guerrero Jr. from the Blue Jays. I'm going to try different light settings, see if it works better. There's something, I think how I have the ring light is just not the most advantageous. Stubborn. Why was that so difficult? Oh, Nolan Ryan. Very nice. Johnny Bench. Was that our fourth one? I think. Oh, what do we got there? Something sparkling at us. Johnny Bench. Printer proof. We'll pull this one from the back. Tony Gwynn. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Oh, Mark McGuire. Really? Okay. Mark McGuire. I don't know what they're calling this. A sparkle border something? Oh, it's numbered out of 50. Mark McGuire. I remember playing Mark McGuire. Like, I don't even remember the name of the game. I'm just going to sleeve this one real quick. Mark McGuire. I don't even think this camera's going to pick it up. Mark McGuire. What game was that? There was some game I used to play way back in the day. Early 2000s. And I just love playing Mark McGuire all the time. I'll set that up right there. So this is the last one. This one feels, doesn't it look a little bit thicker than the other ones? I don't know. We'll see. That's a pretty good hit though. That's exciting. Especially when it's a player that I actually recognize. Marcus Stroman. Oh, did I just see something else? Here's a silver of Trevor Larnach, rookie. Very nice. Starling Marte. Ooh, and Babe Ruth. Very nice. Of course, a classic. Unfortunately, just recently, as of this day, the Astros just won the World Series, but a few weeks ago, the Yankees were almost there for a little bit, but they unfortunately, obviously, did not make it. But I like the Yankees. I can respect the Yankees. They got a really good heritage lineage that I can respect. But of course, I'm a Chicago White Sox fan all the way. Really cool card. And just going over a recap, this is probably our biggest hit right now. Looking up some on eBay that sold. There's one that sold for $5, the Sparkle. But it did say out of 99, which I didn't totally understand because this one is clearly out of 50. So real interesting on that one. But we also got, there's our printer proof. There was one of them. There's two. Here's our silver silver Rafael Devers, the other printer proof, the 4th printer proof. We got our modern artist right here. I kept Nolan Ryan just because I know that player, and of course Babe Ruth. Why wouldn't that be something you highlight? Here's a silver rookie Trevor Larnach, we'll go with, and then a Luis Garcia rookie, also a silver, and then just a number of rookies here. So we'll set those off on the side. We'll put good old Nolan Ryan over there. And yeah, here we go. So we got a couple old greats. Here are the 4 printer proofs as promised. The 4 exclusive printer proofs. There's Cal Ripken, who I really enjoy. Trey Mancini, Joey Votto, and Johnny Bench. But yes, our most notable pull besides these silvers here, Babe Ruth I think is just really cool to pull. We have the silver Rafael Davis, and then of course Mark McGuire. Thank you guys for your time. I greatly appreciate it. If you haven't given the chance to like this video, leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.